LanguageCert, International ESOL, Secure English Language Test for UK Visas and Immigration, Health and Care Worker Visa B1, Skilled Worker Visa B1, Speaking, Reading, Listening and Writing.
This is LanguageCert Achiever B1 Entry Level 3, International ESOL Speaking. My name's Angelina. Are you John Paul Wright?
Yes, I'm John Paul.
Can you spell your family name for me, please?
My family name is Pallupetta. It's a Palluppetta.
Thank you. Which country are you from?
I'm coming from India. Now I'm living in UK.
Thank you. Now, part 1, I'm going to ask you some questions about yourself. Let's talk about furniture. Is expensive furniture worth buying in your opinion?
Yes, nowadays the furniture's price is going higher.
So it is okay to buy expensive furniture? Do you think it is worth it?
Yes, and now the market price is but compared with the market price, it's worth it to buy.
Okay, so you have to give a complete answer. Your answer was not good, right?
Yeah.
After
Okay.
that, repeat what you concluded, like the way you said that the market prices are going up. So I think it is worth it to buy expensive furniture. And it is also worth it just because it is an essential item for the house, and it's definitely worth it, even if it's expensive. And another reason is that furniture is a symbol of luxury and your status as well. People judge on the basis of furniture that are you rich or poor, and I think that it's worth it. People who spend on it, it's worth it. Okay, I'll change my question now. Do you prefer modern or antique furniture? Why?
Prefer to go modern furniture. It's making like a luxury feelings in our home.
Let's talk about sports. Do you prefer team or individual sports?
Prefer to go for team sports.
Why?
It's making a teamwork. It's a good entertainment, I think.
Let's talk about communication and correspondence.
Okay.
What are the advantages of communicating via the internet?
I think it's good to communicate with anyone with through internet, like any country. That why it easy to communicate with everyone.
Let's talk about weather.
Yes.
What kind of weather do you like best and why?
I almost like summer weather. That time is it's too sunny time, and we get a little bit hot, and every places are we can see like a beautiful sunny light.
Weather is not a season. So if examiner will ask you what kind of weather you like, you will say I like sunny weather. The best.
Okay, sunny weather.
Okay, let's
Just
talk
one
about
sentence.
season is different, but if directly somebody asks you how's the weather today, you won't say it's summer. You will say it's sunny or it's hot or it's cloudy, isn't it?
Okay, yeah. It's
It's
just
that
enough for one weather, one sentence, right?
No, you can talk more. Please talk as much as you want, but please don't give bad answers.
Okay, yeah.
Because right now, you are not doing your best. Anyways, next question. Let's talk about education. Do you think online education is better than traditional education?
I'm prefer to go traditional education. It's good to know about everything. Online education also it's good. We can learn like everything. We can uh, learn more about like upgrading listening from online.
But then you need to tell me which one is better. Tell me which one is better for you. Do you think online education is better than Traditional education, understand the question.
Yes. Okay.
Yes or
Okay.
no? First tell yes or no and then give a reason why.
Okay. Yes. I like traditional education.
No, look, the question is, do you think online education is better than traditional education? No, I don't think online education is better than traditional education because traditional
Okay.
education is
Oh,
better. You have a personal connection with a teacher, you get ready, go to school every day, you get to learn new experiences through talking to your friends in person. So just like this. See, you did not answer my question. My question was,
okay.
if I say, do you like apples? And you say oranges are sweet.
Yes.
You're giving me like
No.
this answer. You have to first tell me, no, I don't like apples, I like oranges, right? So,
Okay. Okay.
yeah,
Now I understand. I just ask another question. I will tell you.
in your opinion, which is the most important subject in school curriculum and why?
In my opinion, I'm tell about sports.
Why?
It's giving a good physically and mentally strength,
Hmm.
and also it's a good game to making our community. I don't get the way.
That's going with somewhere. Okay, all right. Okay, all right. That's fine. What is happening? Okay, next, same. Okay, can you tell, same topic. Can you tell me about the school system in your country?
Yes, in our country, it's a traditional system. We are just learning like 12 years in our one school.
Hmm.
After that, we are just going for any undergraduate or postgraduate.
Hmm. Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, all right. Now, part two, we are going to role play some situations. I want you to start or respond. First situation, I'm your English teacher. I start. Why haven't you done your homework?
Sorry to say, I don't get in time to mm, make the homework.
Okay, it's all right, but what happened? Why you can do it?
And I'm last day I'm not in my home. I just go with my daddy with one party.
So when are you going to submit it?
I will submit in 2 days.
Okay, it's all right. Thank you for letting me
Okay.
know. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Next situation, we are neighbors. You are
Yeah.
having a party at the weekend. You start.
Okay. Hello, Angelina.
Hey,
Next week we have a party in my home. I will invite you to come on next week in my party.
yeah, sure. I'd love to come. What time is it?
Okay. We are trying to make the party in night 9:30.
Do you have any theme for the party?
Sorry?
Any theme, party theme? What color we should be
Yeah,
wearing?
yeah.
Any
Oh, team. Yeah, okay. Yes, we will looking about one theme about the party. It's white and black and white.
Hmm. Hmm. Okay, all right. So I'd be wearing a black dress then. What are you wearing?
Yeah. I'm just wearing like a white shirt and black jeans.
Oh, that's brilliant. I hope to see you next week then. Thank you for
Yeah,
inviting me.
course. Thank you. Anyway, you need to come.
Goodbye. Yes, I will. Thank you.
Okay.
Next part, I'm going to share this.
Yes.
Now, part three, we are going to discuss something together. Our English class is bringing out a school magazine. We need to
Yes.
decide what to put in it. Let's ask and answer questions to help us make some decisions. I'll start. I think we should put some jokes and cartoons in the school magazine. What do you say?
I think it's good, but I'm suggesting to go for the sports news.
That seems nice. Why do
Yes.
you think so?
I think sports news is everyone's need to know about the sports and our students also, we need to learn about the sports.
That's right.
Yeah.
What do you think about advice about exam preparation?
Yes, we will give some tips and tricks about exam preparation on any of one page.
That's right. And you also think about it, right? There's so many things in here you say, and also I think there should be photographs from the school trips. You talk.
Okay.
What are you
Okay,
waiting
okay,
for?
okay.
Yes.
Yeah, I just looking for your question that way.
No question. You talk more, examiner. Rather, you lead the
Okay.
conversation. Yeah.
Okay. Like, okay. Then we can also try with like a photography from school trips. Like we can make some photos, good photos, and about memories on our school magazine.
Yeah, you can do that.
How you feel that?
I think that's a great idea.
Mm-hmm. It's good. I think also,
I
and
think.
also we need to
Mhm.
give some students. We can select some student to tell about like just write about some article about school life.
Yeah,
Yeah.
definitely. That's going to be so interesting. And what do you
Yes.
think about school future events?
Events, right? Okay. Anyway, we need to uh, like we need to arrange some events. Then we can publish on our school magazine.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
That would be all right. So I
Yeah.
think so. Jokes and cartoons should not be included then?
No, we anyway we will give we have like 100 pages on our magazine. If we have the space for the any space for in magazine, we will do it 1 or 2 pages about some school like related any school jokes and cartoons.
Could you please describe in what in what way all these things should be presented? Could you organize them with number? Like I think
Yeah.
in the beginning we should go for advice about exam preparation. What do you say?
Yes, I think we can start about advance about exam preparation. Then we can next we can try with the article of about school life. We
Mm-hmm.
need to know the students how they are observing our the school lives and everything.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, and then we can give some photography of the school trips.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's right.
And yeah, and next we can try with the new sports news. And if we have the enough space, we can give some jokes and cartoons. Then last page we will decide to give our details about our events.
So it is decided then. Thank you so much. This is the end of part 3. Now, part 4.
Okay.
Yes, the topic that I'm going to give you for the 90-second speech
Okay.
is an interesting hobby for young people. You have 30 seconds to take your notes.
Okay.
You may take your notes.
No, I'm just thinking about one subject and
Take your notes in the exam. Don't think that you're
oh,
Superman, okay? In the exam,
like
when examiner
is that
will give you paper and pen, write down something on it because
okay? Is that they will give a option to give it like give it 30 seconds to write down on paper.
yeah. They will even give you a pencil and paper, and then they'll tell you you have 30 seconds to think about the topic.
Just a
They're
second.
not 30 minutes, just 30 seconds.
Yeah, that way.
No, but I think there is still something that you can keep in mind. You can write the title because the topic is so plain. An interesting hobby for young people, not for you, but in general for young people.
Oh yes.
Talk now. You have 90 seconds and your time begins now.
Okay. Uh, I'm I selected a topic about gym. nowadays all young people are like to make a physical fitter body. That's why everyone is going to suggest going to make make the body fit. That why everyone is going to gym. I nowadays I if I'm talking about talking to any of the young people, everyone is going to gym. And also I just asked about them like why you don't go to walking or running to our like any park and everything. But that guys told me that they don't have any time to spend for walking or running to anywhere. They are going to gym, then they get good 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 instructor there. That why he will tell to how to become a good physical body and mentally strength. They will give the instruction to every day like what need to do today and what need to have daily, how to have the food quantities and everything. I think that why the guys are going to gym.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Now I'm going to ask you some follow-up questions about an
Okay.
interesting hobby for young people. So could you tell me, why do people... Apologies, my question to you is, how important is it for people to have hobbies?
Sorry,
How important is it for people to have hobbies?
I think it's very important about our hobbies. Then only we have a determined to decide that or do anything.
Who is we? Please tell me. People. See,
Yeah.
use the same subject that the examiner is using in the question. Anyways, should all hobbies be creative? Answer my question, please. Should all hobbies be creative?
Yes, all hobbies are created.
No, you don't ask.
I can understand.
Should all hobbies be creative? But some hobbies are not creative.
Oh yeah. Oh
No,
yes, yes, yes.
I don't think so.
Creative.
You
Oh,
can say,
creative.
no, I don't think so. All hobbies
Yeah. All hobbies are
should be
not created.
creative because, not all of them. Some could be just for fun. It's
Yes.
not important that they are creative. What activities can one do near where you live?
We have a pond here. We can running through the pond.
Okay. How can we encourage young people to start new activities? What do you have? Do you have a pond? P-O-N-D?
Yeah.
Pounds, I know there are many in UK, but pond. You have a pond.
Pond.
It's a water body, right?
Yeah, like some 1 pound, like a big pound is here.
Like a lake?
It's not like it's just making
It's just a
that.
pond.
Yeah, it's a big pound, like a lake.
Oh, okay, pond is fine. All
But
right, cool, cool.
it's the design is a circle. We will
Oh, okay.
running and walking through. It's a big. I think it's 1 mile is if we run in there.
All right, that's fine. Thank you. This is the end of the test, and your speaking score today is 35 out of 50. Okay,
Okay.
just cause, but I'm sure that in your exam you're gonna do better than this.